Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to make a to-do list here in Google Calendar. So first, over here at the top right, you want to click on where it says month. So just click on it and then choose day. Then you want to go ahead and choose which day you want to make a to-do list for. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose August 9th, Saturday. So you can just go ahead already and make your to-do list here, input your tasks and all. So for example, let's say that I wake up at 7 a.m. So I'm just gonna click on 7 a.m. and then I'm going to click on task. And then let's say that I'm going to cook breakfast at 7 a.m. So I'm just going to input that here. And you can also add a description if you want. Then after that, just click on save. And when you're done with the task, you can just go ahead and click on it and then click on mark completed, and you will see that it is now crossed out. So let's just undo that. And then after that, you can just go ahead and write your to-do list for the whole day. And you just want to input it at the specific time when you know you're going to do it. Say for example at 9 a.m. I'm going to do some chores. So I'm just going to input that there. And you can also put some events. For example, I have a meeting at 1 p.m. up to 2 p.m. So I'm just going to put meeting as well. And then I'm just going to do the to-do list for the rest of the day. For example, I have another task here which is walk the dog, like so. And it's just basically it. You're just going to input your task for the whole day to help you be organized for the whole day. So that's it. Thanks for watching.